Hello, trading is closed on the 2nd of July, 2025. We'll always do our disclaimer first, go over our calls, and then make our predictions. This is my trading plan for Thursday, which is a half session. Thursday is the 3rd of July, 2025. Remember, I can change my plan and I can be wrong. So trade at your own risk. And the sound quality and the page loading aren't up to my usual standards. Sometime next week, I hope to get my usual computer returned. We look for the pattern with the early high. We had a target 62.1079, but I said I didn't like the action. We couldn't rule out gapping down first. We did gap down first, but we also hit the target. We said if this tends to be a negative day, and if it's not, if it's a bullish day, we should see higher prices coming up. Doesn't mean they have to happen immediately, but usually they will. And that's a bullish day, so we should be seeing higher prices at some point before too much time passes. MEJT in the morning gave us a buy, that worked. We had an ultimate buy signal in the afternoon, that worked. But we also have a lower target, 62.1420. Unless we can cap up smartly, that'll be the call for tomorrow. That doesn't mean we have to close down. We do have a wall into the close, but it's a new all-time high. A wall into a new all-time high is going to gap down half the time and continue higher half the time. That doesn't really help us. What is going to help us is that here is your TDST line. This bar is completely over the line, and this bar is completely over this bar. So that's breaking free of resistance. It means we're going higher. Doesn't mean we're going there tomorrow, but it means we're going to continue higher. And most likely, on the closing basis, we're not going to close under 61.1752 until we go appreciably higher. We should go 230 points over this line, so we're well into the upper 6,300s. So it could be a little over 6,400 by the time we're done. We're just going to continue up, but that doesn't mean we go up every day. And as far as tomorrow is concerned, if we don't gap up smartly, we have a lower target. It doesn't mean we close low. Rouse pattern is really high, doesn't tell us where we open. We have a lower target, we don't gap up smartly, the rules call for it to print. Non-farm payroll report comes out before the open. I can't predict the response to major economic reports with a sufficient degree of accuracy. So a negative response could take us way down without changing the bullish long-term picture. Regardless of what happens tomorrow, the market should continue to its target well into the 6,300s basis cash. That doesn't mean we go there in a straight line. It doesn't require us to go there tomorrow. Sometimes, not every time, sometimes nothing happens in a stub session, in which case the calls get moved forward to Monday. So we have a lower target, but it's not a lot lower. We just continue going up. There's still a lot of room. It doesn't give us a clear entry. But this is bullish stuff, and it's not over as far as I'm concerned. And if we do get a drop, I use it to go long. So it's the pattern with the early high, and that's today's call.